Okay, day 2, behind the scenes tour. Dive coast is now open, still under construction. It still have several wiring to do before they can even test the cars. They made this is B&M's work. I don't know who put it together. So this will be a fountain, mainly for Gauni. This bridge will take you to Q. That does kind of look like an entry sign of a
smell that from down the bowl. It's like, yeah, they just
entrance, so I can't visualize the ride entrance. If I zoom in for you, you can see the stair that go up the station. Over here you're looking at, that's going to be the storage garage / maintenance garage. So I can't visual over here being the kid. Does that kind of like a Q house?
do not have a car gate.
It does to me. And we're looking at that's blue in the background. That's the longest one.
You can see the right here, portal right here.
Also, they're going to put another fountain over here. So yeah, I can visit a queue with this. They still have no opening date or when they don't even know when they even want to test the cars because it's open for business. If I try to follow lift here, here's a drop. The giant loop is behind the trees. And then you leave that loop going to this loop. Fly past the queue. That looks like a brake one up there. Drop back down. You go through another loop I see over here behind the trees. Go back to the first brake one. There's a turn over here. Not very good since the building of trees are in the way of you. And I'm not sure how you got from that small and frozen back to the station. Which is the part I can't figure out. I can't remember what they named this by, but I'll make sure I go to Over Texas's website and put that name in, not just the description, but in the title of the account. Before I end the video, I'm going to give you another view of it from over here. Hey look, Raging Bull had a kid. This is what I want, a different view. You can kind of see that one in frozen somewhat better here. Now that I'm somewhat closer.
How are you?
Yeah. And I could kind of visit this being the old bay queue area, one of the main queues over on my right that I showed you before. But just look how close this is going to get to the first A building. It's right here. It's just a first A. I just thought you might want to see it. Okay, I'll be ending this video now.